Now I invite Gianna. Please come to the stage and introduce today's faculty, this session faculty, Ruchi and Komal.
Hello, everybody. It's been a wonderful session, I guess, and now we are at the end of it, and I'm sure you're going to have a blast. So here on stage, we have Ruchi Sharma ma'am with us. We all know her since a very long time. She is an image consultant. She's a life skill coach, a charismatic trainer, personal trainer. She's trained me myself. She's groomed me also, and I'm sure many of us over here. She's an entrepreneur, owner of Happy Biz and Mayura Fashion Studio. And we also have Komal Thakkar Trivedi ma'am. She owns a dance academy, Nirmala Dance Academy, and she believes that the world is a stage, so dance on it. She's here to do some therapies with us, and I'm sure we're going to have a lot of fun. And it's an honor to have you here with us. Yeah, we'll do the felicitation once ma'am is here. Yeah? Sure. Anjali ma'am. Anjali ma'am. Yeah. There's a change of clothes, you see, so expect something grand. Yeah, please welcome Ruchi Sharma ma'am.
So good evening ladies, welcome. Welcome मैं आपको इसलिए कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आप लोग सुबह से यहाँ पर हो. So I want you all to wake up once again. Thank you Dr. Anjali and all the colleagues, the committee for inviting us and giving us this wonderful opportunity to present something new today in front of all of you. Before, just when I entered, I was listening and hearing a few of the questions which few ladies put up, and I could easily correlate to those questions. The questions were like balancing work and life, the fear of guilt, setting boundaries, assertiveness, so there were so many different topics which were being discussed. And what I believe from being into the industry of mentoring, training on personal excellence from last 16 years, what I have learned in my professional journey, that life का एक ही मंत्र है, the more simply and simplify you can make your life, the life becomes beautiful for you, because human brain, human mind makes the things complicated. Am I right? Right? So today, what we all together are going to explore a new topic, a new thing, that is how to make our life more simple, how we can have more control on our thoughts, because it is always the mind, the brain, which put up loads of questions, loads of anxiety, loads of troubles. Jitna bhi chal raha hai, the monkey dance is just because of the brain, the mind. Am I right? So my question to all of you here is, what do you visualize when I say this word, be mindful? Anybody quickly? Very well said, ma'am. Be in the present moment. और आप विजुअलाइज क्या करते हो जब मैं बोलती हूँ कि आप माइंडफुल बनिए, या माइंडफुलनेस वर्ड जब आप देखते हो या विजुअलाइज करते हो, व्हाट इमेज इज देयर इन योर ब्रेन, इन योर माइंड? डोंट लूज योर टेम्पर, ओके? इनर पीस, कामनेस, अवेयरनेस, very good, awareness of thoughts. Awareness of the present moment, why the things are happening, why I am reacting like this, what is an external stimuli, being aware. So usually concept क्या होता है, mindfulness लोग समझते हैं, सुनते हैं, mindfulness को लोग connect करते हैं meditation से. कितने लोग यहाँ पे attempt करते हैं, try करते हैं to meditate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, few of them, right? So when I say this word meditation, what do you visualize? Somebody who's sitting with his or her eyes closed, एक dark room में, एक candle जला ली है, और ध्यान में बैठे हो, no? Okay, so giving yourself some time to introspect in a better way the processes which are undergoing in your mind, right? What if I say that we can become mindful in our everyday activities? When you are drinking a glass of water, that activity you can do very mindfully. You're getting my point? कि आप जब एक ग्लास पानी पी रहे हैं, अगर आप full awareness के साथ उस पानी को पीते हो, then you become mindful. You learn the art of mindfulness. Right? Or maybe when you are strolling or walking in nature is mindfulness. What will happen or what transformation or changes mindfulness can bring in your life? Quickly. अगर आप अपनी चेतना को, अपने अवेयरनेस को इस मोमेंट में कर लेते हो, तो आपको क्या फ़ायदे होंगे? Number 1, it will reduce your stress, or you will be active. There will be an increase in the energy. Your consciousness will increase. Or presence of mind, that is your focus and concentration. You will be more energetic. So happiness, joy, more productivity, focus, awareness, attention. So अगर मैं इन सब को collectively बोलूँ, this is confidence. You don't need to wear branded clothes. You don't need to carry certain style to be confident, right? When you have clarity, when you have awareness, you are confident. So usually people ask कि confidence क्या होता है? Confidence is here. Being mindful is confidence. Am I right? So we have designed a beautiful program, the Soulful Step. Soulful Step is a unique concept where we would be giving you certain instructions related to certain body movements. My partner and a beautiful choreographer as well as a beautiful artist and dancer, her name is Komal. She will be guiding and instructing you for certain body movements. And what we will do is, when you're doing those body movements, you have to just concentrate and focus on your breath. The music which will be played, that is the sound. The surroundings, the environments, okay? And you have to disconnect yourself from any other thought related to your past or any worries related to your future. So what we will do is, जब हम ये body movements करेंगे, हम इस moment में रहकर कोशिश करेंगे कि हमारे monkey mind को हम control करें, and we will try to focus more on our breath, the sound, and the entire vibe of that activity. So are you excited and ready? Yes. Right? So what we will do is, we want them to come here. So we all of you, please come forward. We need you to stand here. Ab thoda sa. You can take out your shoes. Just be comfortable and take your own space. See, you need to have space. So few of you can come on the stage also. While we are doing these activities, remember, nobody is judging you. Okay? There are certain attitudes which we will follow when we are practicing these body movements. The attitude of non-judgment, patience, trust, द फीलिंग ऑफ लेटिंग गो, जाने दो चीजों को, आप इस मोमेंट में रहिए. कम ऑन. Before we begin, I want you all to take 3 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Once again, inhale.
Inhale. Relax. Exhale.
Inhale. Exhale. I want you all to loosen up your shoulders, please. अपने shoulders को ढीला छोड़ दें. आप तब से ऐसे बैठे हो ना एकदम टाइट होके. Loosen up your neck. Just bring your body in a relaxation mode. So Komal, let's start.
Yes, please. We'll begin with our ancient practice, Om chanting. Okay? तो आपको क्या करना है? आप जहाँ पर भी है खड़े हैं, just be comfortable. ऐसे ही close your eyes, ठीक है? और म्यूजिक के साथ रेसिटेट कीजिए ओम चैंटिंग, ठीक है?
So we will do Om chanting along with the music. Just be in the moment. Do not think anything else. Just listen to the music and focus on your breath.
Slowly open your eyes. Feel relaxed.
Yes? How you're feeling? Right now? More relieved? Yes? Everyone in the room, you're feeling relaxed? Let's move ahead and take another step towards relaxation, where Komal will be guiding and instructing you, and will be relaxing the various muscles in our body, following the music and different body movements, right?
You just have to follow me, ठीक है? Perfection is not necessary, ठीक है? आप लोग जिस हिसाब से कर सकते हो आप करो, okay? Start.
Just follow her and do the way you want to do, okay?
Just straight.
your waist, twirl it, and keep breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Just twirl and enjoy the moment. Go clockwise and anti-clockwise.
Shoulder.
Keep breathing, breathe in, breathe out, and keep moving your shoulders clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Very good. Keep breathing. Open up wide and breathe in. Go back and breathe out.
Relax.
Breathe in. And take your body up. Stretch it up. And lift your body up. Slowly bring it down and breathe out. जितना हो उतना करो. Up and down. Up and down. Slowly bring your body in a relaxation mode. Go to right and then to left. Lovely. Keep breathing. Take your space. Open up your body. Slowly lift your hands and just relax. Now slowly bring your breath, keep it normal, keep breathing. So how you're feeling when you were doing the body relaxation? I want to ask you, आप क्या सोच रही थी? आपके दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा था कि मैं कैसी दिख रही हूँ या सब मुझे जज कर रहे हैं, मैं सुंदर दिख रही हूँ कि नहीं, मैं मोटी दिख रही हूँ, मैं पतली दिख रही हूँ? Exactly. This is confidence. Now you're confident in this moment, right? Great. Moving ahead, let us do one act where we are going to unwind ourselves. Somewhere deep within, we are attached to some kind of anxiety, fear, guilt, inhibitions. हर किसी के मन में कुछ ना कुछ inhibitions होते हैं. It could be very simple, like coming out of your comfort zone. अगर आप रोज सुबह 10 बजे उठती हैं, मैं आपको बोलूँ 4 बजे उठना है, तो वो आपके लिए एक challenge हो जाएगा, right? And inhibition can be on a higher side also, that maybe you are very anxious about your body image, or maybe you think a lot about what other people think about me. Am I right? So let's unwind ourselves from such kind of inhibitions. For that, we are going to give you certain props. So right? So when you're doing this act, think that you're unwinding yourself from all kind of inhibitions or fears you carry. Okay. Open up. Change the direction. Change the size. Change the direction. The other side. Move your hands in the front and then on the side. On the side. Keep flying. Unwind yourself from all the inhibitions. Come out of your comfort zone. Feel yourself. Love yourself. Find yourself. Be in the moment. Now let us rotate ourselves. पतंग उड़ाते हो ना? Unwind करो. Yes, very good. I love your energy. Shabash.
Relax.
Woo. Lovely. So while ma'am you were unwinding yourself, what was there in your mind? आप क्या सोच रहे थे? क्या इंट्रोस्पेक्ट किया आपने? Okay.
अभी तो आगे आया नहीं ना.
What was your introspection while you were doing?
I feel like I'm flying in the sky. I'm so much free. I'm so much free as a bird. I was really enjoying.
Thank you. The freedom. See, freedom again is here. Nobody can kill your freedom unless you are free from here. You can do everything. Just free yourself from here. Give it a try and you will be able to do it. Proved? Mante ho na? So unwind yourself is the first step towards mindfulness. When we unwind ourselves, we live in that freedom within our mind, you know. So we break down all the barriers and we move towards mindfulness. Moving ahead, The second step towards mindfulness is paint the light. Now what's that? This is very interesting. Paint the light is a part of this entire program where you're going to paint certain geometric figures in the air, and while you're doing this, you will be giving your 100% attention to that particular body movements you are doing. So it will help you to increase your focus, your concentration, and to be able to do or perform any task within that moment. This is what you're going to learn. So follow the instructions by Komal. So what they have to do, Komal, now? You have to move in the opposite direction.
Opposite direction, okay?
जो कोमल कर रही हैं उसके ऑपोजिट में आपको लाइट्स मूव करनी है. इफ शी इज मूविंग द लाइट अप, यू विल टेक द लाइट डाउन. ओके, सो दिस एक्टिविटी विल हेल्प यू टू एनहांस योर फोकस and to concentrate on the body movement of Komal. Ready? Are we ready? Yes. Are we ready? Yes. Mindfully? Yes. Music. Music, please. और तेज कर दीजिए अगर हो सके तो.
Dance for me like 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes and you shall see. Feel the beat till you're so free. Round and around for me. Dance for me like 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes and you shall see. Feel the beat till you're so free. Round and around for me. Dance for me like 1, 2, 3.
Keep moving, keep breathing. Nobody's stopping you. You are born, you are beautiful, you are the best.
I'm ready, you ready? So won't you show me what you got? Show me what you got. I'm ready, you ready? So won't you show me what you got? Show me what you got. Don't act like you forgot. Dance for me.
Focus, focus.
Close your eyes and you shall see. Feel the beat till you're so free. Round and around for me.
Yoko, come on. Let's do it. Very good. Feel the beat. Feel the music. Just be yourself. Very good. I love the mic. Bring your energy up. Keep your energy up. Shabash. आप सब best हो.
Dance for me like 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes and you shall see. Feel the beat till you're so free. Round and around for me.
Come on, do it.
Dance for me like 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes and you shall see. Feel the beat till you're so free. Round and
Come on, bring your energy high.
dance for me like 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes and you shall see. Feel the beat till you're so free. Round and around for me.
Feel the music, keep breathing.
I'm ready, you ready? So won't you show me what you got? Show me what you got. I'm ready, you ready? So won't you show me what you got? Show me what you got. Don't act like you forgot. Dance for me like 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes and you shall see. Feel the beat, say you're so free.
Keep moving.
Round and around for me.
Very nice.
Dance for me like 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes and you shall see. Feel the beat, say you're so free. Round and around for me.
Just relax, keep breathing. Stand still at your place only, don't move. Just be still. Be in the moment, don't start talking. Let's be in the moment. Just try to absorb the energy in the room. Do not think anything. Keep your mind zero. Beginner's mind बोलते हैं जब हमारे दिमाग में कोई विचार, कोई thought नहीं होता. We are starting from shunya and we end at shunya is mindfulness. So how beautifully, just by doing certain body movements, we forget everything. Right? So slowly, you please keep the props there, one by one. Really, the vibe was excellent. I would like to ask Gianna, what do you think while you were painting the light? What was going in your mind?
I don't know, I was thinking I'm already in Coldplay.
So she had an experience being in a Coldplay concert. Wow. We can have the lights? So in this entire program, we caution you just do the acts as per the comfort of your body. Okay, you're not performing here. So just आपसे जितना stretch होता है उतना ही करें. जितने bend हो सकते उतना ही bend करो अपने आप को. And introspect. Moving ahead. Now this is the main X factor, the X element of the program, that is choose your experience. Right? Choose of experience is all about thinking out of the box, making yourself unique, creating something in you, in yourself, which helps you to differentiate from others, right? And that we are going to do in a very beautiful way. We have certain props. Komal, you're going to guide them quickly. So they are going to stand like this, or you want them to create 2 rows? How we are going to do it? And idhar kartal denge. Okay, chalo. Quickly. We can move ahead, please.
She's my assistant. She'll guide with the tapping and clapping.
So this part of the room, you will be using your body, following her instructions. I want you to come here so that they can see you. And you will be tapping certain movements, okay? And once the body tapping is done, you will be using some instruments to play that beat, and let's bring in that sync in the room. It's all about choosing your experience, gaining the experience.
ओके सो मैं यहाँ से बीट दूंगी करताल से, ठीक है? हम लोग करेंगे करताल पे, सामने वाले उसी चीज़ को रिपीट करेंगे, फॉलो करेंगे, with the tapping and clapping. शिखा, हाँ वो आपके साथ करेगी ताकि आपको गाइड कर सके, ठीक है? नहीं म्यूजिक नहीं है, बीट्स ही है. Okay, we'll start with 1. Okay, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop, look, that man. Music on. Continue.
Just choose your experience. Go with the flow. Go with the flow. Choose your experience. Just clap, clap. Be with yourself. Be in the moment. Forget everything. Just be in the moment. Just love yourself. Love the way you are. Just say I'm beautiful. I'm the best. Be with yourself. You are your best friend. You know that? आप खुद अपने best friend हो. खुशी आपके अंदर है. बाहर मत ढूंढो. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Choose your experience. Create your experiences. Occupy your space. Be with yourself. जो अच्छा लगे वो करो. जिसमें खुशी मिले वो करो. experience. Do whatever you like. Wow, lovely. We love this vibe, we love this energy. I'm loving it. I was looking on the happiness on the faces you all had. All were laughing, all were smiling. कोई भी मुझे ऐसा नहीं दिखा जो दुखी हो. हैं? तो दुख तो है ही नहीं, फिर क्यों दुखी होते हो? यहाँ ज़्यादा सोचते हैं तो दुखी हो जाते हैं. इसको शांत रखते हैं तो गम कम हो जाते हैं. समझे? तब भी सबकॉन्शियसली चलता है पीछे. Even if you are busy and you're shifting your focus and doing something else, yet subconsciously you are aware of that particular thing.
बोल रहे हैं हम लोग कोई और दुनिया में चले गए.
Yes.
गोवा चले गए है ना, वाइब आ गई.
So think like this. अगर आप mindfulness daily practice करें तो क्या बदलाव आएंगे?
गोवा यहाँ आ जाएगा.
हाँ, आप करवा दो उसके बाद.
हाँ, लेंगे आपके testimonials. Now we want you all to just relax and be at your place, and we want you all to sit down. Please बैठ जाइए. थोड़ा सा हम breathing और ध्यान करेंगे, and then we will wrap up the session. Focus. Music. Just be in the moment. Apply a little pressure on the ball and do the movements. थोड़ा सा pressure लगाएं बॉल पे.
Exhale.
Inhale. Pressure लगाते हुए, and then exhale and bring your hand down. Now use the alternate hand. Apply a little pressure on the smiley ball. You can ball, and you can have few mindful sessions in between your workplace. While you are working, whenever you are stressed, you can use this technique to be in control of your emotions. These are few mudras to help you enhance your focus and to relieve stress. Okay, these are hand mudras which you can do in any stressful situation, or every day you can practice these hand mudras. These hand mudras also helps you control your blood pressure. And while you're doing it, breathe in, breathe out.
Sharpen
Inhale and
your
exhale.
brain. Rub your palm. It will help to reduce the anxiety, depression. It helps to reduce their anxiety. क्या हुआ म्यूजिक को? It will sharpen your concentration, your focus, and hence your focus.
So these are certain hand mudras, relaxation techniques.
This helps
You can practice it
sharpen
any
your
place.
creative, your imaginary power.
Okay, so when you want to become more creative, or you need to generate new ideas, and usually we adopt this pose also, when we want to project a powerful image of ours, right? Especially while you're speaking or giving a presentation, we use this upward steeple. So why do we use it? Because it helps to have better focus on what we are saying. So moving ahead with this, I want you all to lie down if it is possible. This is the last part of today's session.
They can sit. Yeah.
If you want to lie down, you can lie down also. It's more like a relaxation part. And those who are sitting can just close your eyes and bring your hands in this mudra. Komal, show them. You can sit like this. If you don't want to lie down, you just sit with your eyes closed. And now, just relax and keep breathing. Listen to the music. Bring in sync your breath, sound, your breath, sound, body, mind, and spirit. That is your soul. I want you to focus on your soul. S-O-U-L, soul, the story which your soul carries. Bring your focus onto that.
Inhale, hold, exhale, inhale, hold, exhale, inhale, hold, exhale, inhale,
Hold. Exhale. Just listen to music.
So let's try to bring the focus on the 7 chakras. I want you to keep your eyes closed and you bring your concentration and focus on the root chakra, that is the lowest point on the spinal cord, right? I hope you know that. So the tailbone is your root chakra. Bring your focus onto the root of your spine. Feel the energy over there, the vibrations if you could feel. Keep breathing. Try to visualize red color. Color red. Visualize. थोड़ा सा ऊपर ध्यान लेकर आओ to your sacral chakra. Shift your focus a little bit from the tail of your spine. Bring it a little up. नाभि से नीचे और tailbone से ऊपर. That is your sacral chakra. Keep breathing. Shift your energy a little bit upwards towards your navel, the solar plexus. अपनी नाभि पर अपना ध्यान लगाएं. वहाँ अगर आप एनर्जी फील कर सकते हो, try to feel the energy which your body carries. Keep breathing. जो भी फियर होता है ना वो यहाँ सोलर प्लेक्सस में होता है. All the fear, anxiety, nervousness, when we say I had butterflies in my stomach, is your solar plexus. You can make it strong. ध्यान लगाकर वहाँ पे अगर आप एनर्जी को फोकस करोगे, आपका फियर कम हो जाएगा. Let's go a little upward towards your heart. The heart chakra. It makes you a beautiful person. If you learn to increase the energy in your heart chakra, you become a beautiful person, a big-hearted person. Let's try to become a beautiful person inside. Next, come towards your throat. The throat chakra. Shift your energy, bring your energy. You become extraordinary orator, communicator. जो भुचक है, बहुत लोग अपने मन की बात नहीं बोल पाते, अपनी मन की इच्छाओं को शेयर नहीं कर पाते. Why? Because the energy of your throat chakra is low or it is blocked. You can always increase that energy. Keep breathing and bring your focus on throat chakra. और ऊपर जाते हैं. In the center of your forehead, I want you to shift your focus on the center of your forehead, your third eye. Here is the maximum power, the energy which we have, the intelligence which you carry. thoughts which you make. This chakra is what exactly designs your personality. And last, bring your energy on the top of your head, the crown chakra. It connects us to the divine, जो सब यूनिवर्स को कंट्रोल कर रहा है. So this is the energy which helps us to become a more spiritual person in life. Your IQ, EQ and your SQ, that is your spiritual quotient. Keep breathing. Now slowly open your eyes. Just sit for 30 seconds, 1 minute. Relax yourself because so soulful steps connects you with your soul, your mind, your body, the spirit which we carry. I always tell it that it is a story a person carries. Everybody have their own stories, right? Connect with it. Connect with yourself. Know yourself much better. You will become a beautiful person. Thank you, all of you. अभी सोना नहीं है, अभी खाना है. डिनर है भाई, नहीं है? So thank you all of you for participating. We hope that you loved today's session and इसके अलावा आप अपने जीवन में mindfulness लाइए, practice करिए और एक बेहतर शख्सियत बनिए. अभी जो है उससे भी बेहतर बनिए. मैं तो एक ही चीज़ बोलती हूँ. Thank you, Anjali, for giving us this beautiful opportunity.
My pleasure. So, thank you, and I would like, rather than me giving vote of thanks, I would request anyone from you can share your experience and give vote of thanks to them. Any one of you.
It gives me an immense pleasure on behalf of Ahmedabad branch of WISC of ICI, on behalf of all women present here, to make us meet our soul. It was after such a long time, all of us would vouch that we were we within with our soul. We were like break free. This we would have individually practiced when we would have been a child, where no one would have told us what to do, what not to do, when to do. We played, we danced, we laughed, we relaxed, and we did all for our body and for all our minds. Thank you so much. I'll be glad to tell you that this is what I would have done for all my childhood until I was 16, and it is after a break of almost nearing to 30 years that I have now been doing, and now it is the first day to continue ever again, because there shouldn't have been a break. This was like a really eye-opener. ये मुझे आता था, I was doing it, and why I have forgotten it. Thank you so much. Thank you from my bottom of my heart. This on behalf of all of us. Each individual is thanking you. When I'm standing, it is not me, it's everyone's soul standing here and thanking it to you. Thank you.
On behalf of Ahmedabad branch of ICI, thankful to the participant and Ruchi Sharma and Komal Trivedi. Just a few lines for you. रूह को छुआ मन को सुकून दिया, रूह को छुआ, मन को सुकून दिया, आपकी बातें हर दिल को जुनून दिया। जीवन के अंधेरे में राह दिखा दी, आज के सत्र ने जैसे नया जीवन सिखाया। थैंक यू।